Is it Dazovan and Brand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right. All right, go ahead and get it started. What is the monthly rent?
Currently now it's $975. It was different. She was on Section 8, but it was canceled back in September last year.
October.
Don't let him finish, and then I will let you speak. I don't like to be interrupted. Okay,
So I told them that they could that she could just pay me a little bit less, which was $975. Last payment I received was February 22nd, $500, and I haven't received anything since that point. And I like to,
okay. You said housing got terminated when?
it was, the letter I got from them was October 31st.
Can I see that,
Contract was
Joe?
terminated. Yes, sir. But they stopped payment prior to that, and I wasn't informed about the payment being stopped until there was no money in the bank.
Okay, what are you asking for at this point?
In a possession of my property.
Just possession, no money.
I don't want anything, yes.
Okay. All right, so we're not even talking about money at this point. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Okay. All right, so Miss Janice, okay, I know you got 1,000 things to tell me, but I'm gonna tell you right now, we're not talking about money, okay? He doesn't even want money.
He refused to fix the property. Our shower has been running since February.
No, stay right there,
And we've got $1,500 in water bills
okay?
because he refused to fix it. I've got pictures of the faucet. I've got pictures of outlets that have caught on fire that he refused to fix the fuse box after he said he would. I have pictures
So let
of
me
the
stop you.
house falling apart
Stop,
because he
Just wait, just
refused.
Stop. Let her
Janice.
talk. Let me tell you something.
Ms. Janice, I understand that you may have some issues with the living conditions of the house.
We
Okay.
have black mold in our home because he refused to fix things.
I understand, but I don't write the law, okay?
The handicapped child who is on an oxygen concentrator and severely handicapped and epileptic.
Okay.
And these are things that could have cost her life.
Very much so, very much so. And you have every right. Can I finish? That's enough. I am trying to talk. I understand that you have 1,000 things and that you are very upset about the living conditions of the house. I get that. I need you to listen to me. Under the rules of eviction, that does not prevent you from not paying rent. Okay, that does not also obligate you to stay in the property.
We didn't have a formal agreement for rent.
Okay, and he's not asking for rent, so we're not even making this a money judgment, okay? So now I'm not saying you don't have recourse and that you can't turn around and you don't have a defense or that you don't have rights. I never said that. The thing is that you need to pursue them the right way, and not paying rent or staying there is not the right way to pursue it.
Never got a written notice to vacate either.
Okay, can I see your notice to vacate?
Okay.
He says he sent it certified mail and I never signed anything. I never received anything.
Here's the packet that I sent. Here's the vacate. Here's the receipt from the United States Postal.
There you go. That's all I need.
Even without my signature?
Ma'am, if nobody signs a notice to vacate, who's gonna get evicted?
I mean, he could post it on the door like the law says.
He can post it, but he can also certify it. He don't have to do it your way. There's 3 different ways to do it. Certification is one of
I
them,
never signed it.
okay?
Shouldn't he continue to try to give it to me?
No,
Because I didn't know we were supposed to vacate.
why didn't you sign it? It's certified
I
mail,
wasn't home.
okay? And they
I
usually live,
have children that have doctor's appointments. I wasn't home.
okay, and they don't leave a letter for you to go to the post office and sign and pick up a message.
Receive anything. I
Well,
did not receive anything.
okay, so unfortunately, this is good enough for me for the certified mail. All right, so Miss Janice, you're still there on the property?
No, oh, well, we are almost fully moved out.
Okay, how quickly can you move out?
A week and a half, 2 weeks. We've got most of our stuff except for our big furniture moved out.
Are you willing to give her a week?
No, man, I'm gonna immediately go
All right, Miss Janice. So, and you're asking for possession only, no money judgment.
home. Yeah, I just want possession of property.
And Miss Janice, they're not willing to, they want their judgment.
How do I counter sue? How do I sue him for this stuff?
Okay, you,
The damage that was done, because we repaired most of this and we didn't get compensated for it.
okay, you can talk to an attorney. You can hire an attorney, or you can go out there and see if you can get legal aids paperwork. They can help you. It's income based. And then you can turn around and talk to your attorney and see what legal rights you have, okay? Judgment's gonna be for possession only. You do have 5 days to move out or appeal it, okay?
Where do I appeal? Just.
If you want to go up to the front, you can ask the clerks for the appeal process, okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you, Miss Janice. You have a good one, okay? I suggest you stop talking right now before you get in handcuffs. Marvin Lee.